Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of USPS shipping module. In this video, I'll explain you the process to configure the module, and I will also show you that how you can allow your customer to choose a method of USPS shipping while ordering for any product. So let's just head to the Prestashop back office. To ease the process, I have already installed the module in my Prestashop. So let's just quickly go to the configuration part. As you can see that we are here on the configuration page of the USPS shipping module. I will explain you the significance of each options one by one. The first one is USPS user ID. This user ID can be obtained from the USPS website. While you register on the USPS website, a user ID is provided to you via mail. That process I will explain you later in the video. Firstly, let's see what other options we have in this configuration setting and how one can order a product while choosing a method of USPS shipping. You can also select a origin zip code from where your parcels will be taken by the USPS to deliver it to your customers. The third option allows you to add the Prestashop default handling fees to the USPS shipping. If you enable this option, then your already configured handling fees will be automatically added to the USPS shipping too. Now let's head further in the configuration part. The packaging settings for the USPS. The first option is here that separate package for each product. If you enable this option, then let's say if your customer has ordered 2 or 3 products in a single order, then USPS will pack all of them in different packages, and all the 3 will be shipped to the customers in different packages. So each product will be placed in 3 different packages and will be delivered to the customer. After that, you also need to configure the size and container settings for domestic shipping and international shipping as well. In case these are the standard criteria for USPS. For further or more details about this options, regular and variable, you can refer to the USPS documentation, that how they classify these options, that what will come under the option of regular, or what packages will be considered as variable, or other things which are there in the USPS. You can simply refer to the USPS website for further details. The other option is whether you want to make your packages machinable or not, or whatever the packages you are handling, if they are machinable or not. I will tell you what packages are machinable. Generally, the USPS sorts all the packages on the machines. So they have provided a certain dimensions and certain criterias to classify some parcels under the machinable category and some under the non-machinable category. So just refer to the USPS website for further details and classify your products under machinable and non-machinable, so that your these all default settings will be easily conveyed to the USPS. Other is dimensions and weight. This is the default dimensions and weight of the parcels which you will be handling. You can simply select any default dimension for your packages, and let's say if any of your product has greater dimension, then the USPS will accordingly manage that. If not, then they will just simply create a package of this default dimension and they will send it over to your customer. And you can also configure the default package settings for your mostly used packages which you send to your customers. Now let's just go to the shipping sections after saving all these settings so that you can see all the shipping methods of USPS which have been added to the back office. It's taking time in loading the page. Here we are. As you can see, all the available methods of USPS shipping on the basis of my username is added here, and whatever the details I have provided to the USPS while registering, all the USPS shipping method which is available at my address will be added to the Prestashop back office. Now let's just go to the front end of the shop to see how we can order any product while choosing a shipping method of USPS. After selecting the address, you can see all the available shipping methods on the basis of your address on the checkout page. These methods are shown randomly by the USPS on the basis of the address so that the customer can choose only those shipping methods which will be able to deliver the product at the selected address. You can simply select one out of them and proceed to order the product. Let's just order it. As you can see that I have successfully placed the order. On the order confirmation page 2, customer can see the selected shipping method which he has or she had selected at the time of checkout. The details of shipping methods are also available under the order details page here. Now let's just go to the back end. On the backend page, the admin also sees the shipping method which the customer had selected at the time of checkout. So this was all about the USPS shipping, and now let's just see how we can get the USPS user ID. In order to get the USPS user ID, firstly go to the USPS website. There you will find a register or sign in button. Click on that. After that, click on sign up now as you are creating an account. Now fill in all the relevant details which is asked from you. choose a strong password. You also need to pick 2 security questions and answer them, which will be used in case if you forget your password of your account and to recover your account subsequently. If you want to create a personal account, then you can simply choose a personal account which will be used for your personal parcels, or if you want to send someone a parcel or something like that. In case if you are using for your e-commerce business, then you need to select this as a business account and you would be needed to fill your contact information in both the case. After that, filling in all the information of your personal details, you need to specify your business address. After clicking on the verify address button, you will receive an email, and in that email you will simply find your USPS user ID. So this was all about the process to create a user ID for USPS. After getting the user ID of USPS in the mail, you can simply put it into the configuration setting of the module, and you will be able to see all the shipping methods of USPS in the shipping section at the backend, and as well as on the checkout page too. So this was all about the USPS shipping module. I hope this video will help you to configure the module in a better way. Thank you.